Here the mornings begins with clouds, hidden waterfalls in the valley, and hills covered with terrace farms. This is Pumbarai. We have reached Kodaikanal. It's located in Western Ghats, 7,000 feet from the sea level. It's also called Princess of Hills. We stayed at Jostel, and the views, have a look.
अभी हम लोग हॉस्टल से निकल गए। यहाँ से 2 किलोमीटर दूर एक वाटरफॉल है, वहाँ जा रहा है और वहाँ जाकर थोड़ा नहा वहा कर फिर से वापस हॉस्टल जाएंगे।
Slowly night became colder. We lit up a bonfire, made new friends, marking the perfect end to our day.